Bien, here we are, still on vacation.
We really should go back to work.
Okay, you go, I'll meet you there later. What's that, a brunch? Okay, maybe a little later than that. Anyway, you know, we go away for a few days and miss all the drama. Isn't that always the way? Anyway, Jack here, he says at least we should be responsible and do an update.
Yes.
Bien, we do an update. Here's my update. So much drama.
Well, Marcel, we have to give them a little more than that.
Bien, a little more than that. Allons-y.
In late August, major stock market, the Nasdaq, was shut down around noon, only to resume hours later.
To give everyone a long lunch break.
That's not why. It was reported as a technical glitch.
Ah.
What?
Nothing.
Now the Daily News reports that they've spoken to information security analyst Ilya Kolachenko of High Tech Bridge, based in Geneva, Switzerland.
Land of banks.
Yeah, so Geneva, Switzerland. Where was I? Okay, let's have a look. From the article, a good hacker can get full access to Nasdaq.com in a couple of days.
Ah, no, you're leaving out the best part. Let's see here. Says Kolachenko, I discovered these vulnerabilities in just 10 minutes with a Firefox browser without any special tools or software. These hackers, they can do a lot with a lunch break.
The Daily News also reports on September 17th, 2013, that Nasdaq has gotten around to correcting vulnerabilities at their site.
Yes, they switched web browsers.
That's not what it says.
Yes, I know. I was just drinking for lunch.
For more on the story,
their password's probably Nasdaq.
Stop that, Marcel. Links are provided in the info box.
Unless someone has stolen them. In other drama, Hubert Joly, the CEO of electronics retailer Best Buy, has sold off hundreds of thousands of shares in the company to the tune of some $10.4 million. Why? Oh la la, he's paying for his divorce.
Really? Ouch.
Bien, c'est la vie. In better news, perhaps, for Monsieur Joly, Best Buy reported earnings of 32 cents per share for the second quarter of 2013, compared to 4 cents per share a year prior.
The board of directors of Best Buy have also authorized payment of a regular quarterly cash dividend of 17 cents per common share. The quarterly dividend is payable on October 1st, 2013 to shareholders of record as of the close of business on September 10th, 2013.
And also, social media site Twitter has announced plans last week for an initial public offering. They just can't decide whether to list on the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. Decisions. Among pre-IPO investors, apparently not only venture capitalists, but the Saudi billionaire. You can read all about that in the info box. And one more tidbit for a bit of light reading. Check the info box to read about the secret billionaire.
Stuart Horish reportedly holds a bigger stake in billionaire Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway than even Microsoft billionaire Bill Gates. This story was reported by Bloomberg. We haven't confirmed it.
Because we're busy at the beach. But how's that for what? The Berkshire billionaire next door.
Say, that could happen.
What if there was a time machine?
And that's today's monkey business. We'll see you soon for more regularly scheduled programming.
As soon as I finish this margarita. Hello? The second, where's it gone now? It must be hackers.